Join me as I take on the task of making my first Umrah pilgrimage and chronicle every moment of this incredible journey. I'm beyond thrilled to share with you all that I'm finally embarking on a journey of a lifetime. I'm headed to Umrah. The thought of performing this sacred pilgrimage has been on my mind for years, and I can barely contain my excitement as I count down the days until my departure. Planning this trip has been a whirlwind experience, to say the least. From sorting out my visa to booking my flights and accommodations, there have been so many details to iron out. And on top of that, I've been trying to prepare myself emotionally and spiritually for this incredible journey. It's not just about packing the right clothes or reading up on the rituals, it's about getting my heart and mind in the right place. I've been having some anxiety about what to expect, especially when it comes to the crowds and the physical demands of the pilgrimage. I've heard stories about the sweltering heat and the long walks, and I've been wondering if I'm truly ready for this. But despite the doubts, I know that this journey is going to be life-changing, and I'm willing to push through any challenges that come my way. As the departure date approaches, I've been reflecting on what I hope to achieve during my time in Mecca. Of course, I want to fulfill the rituals of Umrah to the best of my ability, but I also hope to reconnect with my faith and find a deeper sense of spirituality. I'm looking forward to visiting the sacred sites, praying at the Kaaba, and meeting fellow pilgrims from all over the world. Umrah is a journey that requires a certain level of surrender, and I know that I need to let go of my fears and doubts and trust in the process. I hope to come back from this trip with a renewed sense of purpose and a heart that's more compassionate, more patient, and more grateful. And I hope that my experiences will inspire others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and spiritual growth. One thing that's been giving me goosebumps is thinking about the special items I'm planning to bring with me on this journey. I have a small prayer mat that was given to me by my grandmother, and I know that having it with me will make the experience even more meaningful. I also have a journal that I plan to use to document my thoughts and reflections throughout the trip. As I write this, I'm feeling a mix of emotions: excitement, nervousness, and gratitude all swirling together. I'm grateful for the opportunity to embark on this incredible journey, and I'm excited to share every moment of it with you all. This pilgrimage is going to be a challenge, but it's also going to be an incredible adventure, and I feel so blessed to be able to take it on. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey, and I hope that my experiences will inspire you to reflect on your own spiritual goals and aspirations. If you've been on Umrah before, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to see more content from my channel, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe for more.